What's up, guys? It's epicquantemzz here. This is, sorry guys, I've been trying to get good gameplay with the MP7, so that will be out tomorrow. And this is pretty much just playing a bit of demolition. I'm playing really objectively here. I think I do something like 29 to 10. I thought it was pretty good, especially because I was trying to plant the bomb and all kinds of stuff like that. So, yeah, this gameplay I'm using the UMP45, which I'll be doing after the MP7 as my gold gun episode. I keep telling you, it needs to be a surprise. Actually, I'll take that back. It's not going to be my gold gun. Oh, how's your feel? So real. So, pretty much, guys, I want to know what game, because I'm getting a bit bored of just doing Call of Duty. I do play a lot of games. I play like Saints Row and all sort of games like that, like really fun games and stuff like that, guys. If you're a fan of me and you want to know what games is like you want to see me play, guys, just comment on the video and then we'll see what one gets the highest on the video, on the comment thing, votes, and I'll play that game. Depends if I've got it or not. If it's cheap or something, I'll get it, but if it's £450, I won't get it. I'm talking, I promise. But guys, because it's Saints Row, Dead Island, I love that game. Bit gory, but oh well. Deal with it! There's Saints Row. I don't really like GTA, it's not really that fun. It's like Saints Row, but not as good. What else? I'm just gonna go and tab out and look at my games. I could do some Battlefield 3 if you want, guys. I can video some Battlefield 3 if you want. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, I might do that after soon. Do some Battlefield 3. Pretty cool, actually. Pretty cool that I was getting shot, so the round ended. I was like, yeah, I didn't get shot. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I might do some Battlefield 3 actually quite soon now. That'd be pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. Oh my god, I actually really want to go record some Battlefield 3 now. Yeah, I'm tempted to go and record some Battlefield 3. Smiley face. We go over time because most of the time on demolition, you plant the bomb, then you win, next round they win, and then that's pretty much what happens, and then it goes overtime. Why do I talk about my class setup for a little bit? I'm using the UMP45 suppressed, and I probably already said this, but deal with it! Rapid fire, attachments 2. I'm using Assassin Pro, Slave Hand Pro, and Quick Draw Pro, my specialist perks. As my normal perks, I'm actually using Scavenger Pro, Stalker Pro, and Hardline Pro, that's it. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for. Instead of doing the whole video, I might just I'm might stop it I'm gonna stop this video short, guys, because I've got a soul somewhere. I just gotta go and do some stuff, guys. So I'll put it to the 6-minute mark, and then you can just watch the rest of my epic gameplay. Okay? Yep. Down good. I know you can run an aimbot there. That's pretty epic. But I was I want to pick it up, but no one didn't let me pick it up because it was on his back. He wasn't letting you holding the actual weapon. So I'm really getting tons of doubles in this game, which is awesome. I big doubles and I get not lie. I was going to lie. I thought these two people covered me. You see, if in my mini map, these two people, I thought they were covering me. One of them dies, and then he comes around and shoots me with his little chicken bum cheeks, chicken bum cheeks, and then I get a double, and then my second double on so far. I think. I thank you for the word you gave me. I probably would have defused it, defuse it, I probably would defuse it. My teams were absolutely like poo. I'm just gonna say it. If they were so bad, my team.
Hello, Daddy.
Sorry about that, guys. It's just my sister.
Heads up, Delta team.
Sorry about that. Actually, my dad's on FaceTime because he's going away for a bit. He's going to China for a couple of months to work stuff. Sorry about that. Sorry about the interruption. About the game. Yeah, no, we do go to overtime. I've already said this, haven't I? Yeah, we do go to overtime. We do win the game. Cause we're awesome. Hey, we're awesome. We're awesome. We're also awesome. Yeah. And also, guys, this will be the next gun I'm doing for my Gold Gun series. Just to let you know, guys. Just to let you know that you're somewhere thinking of me. I know. These girls fall like dominoes, dominoes. Those girls fall like dominoes. Overtime, guys. Sorry about this video, but I'm actually gonna cut the commentating like short for now, guys. So pretty much you could just watch the rest of my video, guys. Feel free to comment, rate, and subscribe. And my name is epicquantemzz. My real name's Max. And peace out, suckers. Remember. Subscribe, rate, like, comment, whatever you want to do, guys. And I'll see you all later. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye-bye!
Just another day. Good job.